This new AI just changed how motion looks. And it's honestly insane, guys. I'll show you how creators are turning one image into viral motion videos with no animation skills. If you love AI content, Faceless channel, viral social media videos, this one is for you. Today, I'll be showing you how to create the viral AI dancing videos step by step using the Hailuo AI. Let's go. This tool stands out because motion feels so real. Not stiff, not robotic. You get, right? Smooth dance movement, realistic facial expression, cinematic flow, and the template made for viral content. Guys, once you open your Hailuo AI, you can see here image to video, text to video, image generation, okay? You click on image generation. Now, once it's opened for you like this, the next step you're supposed to do here, you can actually see reference image, which is optional, which means if you want to have like a consistent character or you want to be doing a trend of a dancing baby and you want the baby to have same face all the time, each time when you want to generate your image, you just come here and you add in a reference image. But if not, here it says you can actually type in your prompt. So you describe your image. Now, at this point where it says up here, image generation, I'll click up there. And I make sure that my image generation is on Nano Banana Pro, which means we are using the Nano Banana Pro version inside the Hailuo AI to generate this image, okay? And again, you can see down there, it says subject reference. If you want to reference an image like I already explained. Up here, you have the image to video and then you have the text to video. But here, we make sure our tick is on the Banana Pro, okay? Once you do that, then you come here like so. Now we have this space to ourselves, okay? At this point, I'll click because I want to generate a very sweet, cute baby to use for the dancing baby. I'll just put here and I'll paste my prompt. Now, if you want this prompt, I'll give it to you. So click there, paste prompt. That is my prompt. Then I click here on finish. Now, once you click on finish, you have down here auto. You see this auto? When you click on auto, you can actually go here to any image size of your choice. You can choose any image size of your choice. So at this point, I'll be choosing the 9.16 because it's 9.16 I want to use for a Reels or for TikTok or for YouTube Shorts. So I'll choose this 9.16. And down here, you can see resolution is so high. Guys, your image quality will be mad. 2K and 4K. You choose, I'll be choosing the 4K as well. Now here it says where you see 1, you can actually choose to generate 2 images or you want to generate 3 images, but we'll be choosing 1 image for now. So you can actually generate 2, 3, 4 images at once. For those of you who want to do this like a series, okay? So you can just generate your images at once and then use them step by step or use them every day to make them dance. So here I'll click on this 4 where it's highlighted white. I'll click on there and wait for our image to generate. So it just takes a few seconds for our image to actually generate. And again, Nano Banana Pro, you can only generate images. You do not generate videos. So after we get our image, then we take it to the trending section, use a template and actually turn our image into a dancing baby video. Okay? So at this point, our image is ready. You can see image is ready. And here it says recreate. If you want to recreate this image, you can recreate the image. And here it says video it, okay? You can actually turn it into a video as well. So I want to use this to make our dancing baby. I'll just save that, okay? Save without watermark. That will be saved. Now, what I'll need to do is I'll go to the trending section, which means so you go on your home page. Now we are on home page, all right? So once you get to the home page, what you need to do is you click here where you see trending. You have trending, horror, love frames and all that. But make sure you're highlighted on trending and then you move down. You move down and you see all these dancing videos. You see the baby on the bed. You see the girl. You see all these ones. Yeah. So these are actually videos that are trending right now for your reels, for whatever you want to use them for. These videos are trending. So I'll just go down and look for the one that I want to use. Okay. I'll look for what I want to use and I'll go for this one. I'll go for this. Okay. So I'll be using that template. Okay. And what I'll need to do now is here where it says use templates. Guys, These are already made templates for you and you don't need to stress it. Not at all. I'll click here where it says use template. Click and then you upload your image. All right. Click and take my image from my album. Click and bring it up. So once your image is here, you don't need to write anything. You don't need to prompt anything. Your image is up and the template is ready for you. Just click on generate. Click on generate and you wait for your image to generate into a video, a dancing baby. This instantly turns your image into a dancing video with natural movement. I can't believe this. Like, I can't believe this is AI. I cannot believe this. It's so sweet. Guys, this is so good. Look at how smooth this is. This is what makes perfect viral content. Like, it is super. Once your video is done, click on the download button and save your video to your phone. Here are some real ways you can actually use Hailuo AI. The dancing baby videos, you come here, you click and use any template of your choice. Click on templates and use any template of your choice. You have viral shorts and reels. You come up here, click on the ASM arrow. Then you have lots of different templates. Choose this one, any of your choice. Click and let it generate. You have short films from images. You have your short films, which can actually take you from image to a film or from text to a film. Faceless and YouTube or TikTok content. Swap here, check any template of your choice that is trending and just click on use template. These videos are actually trending, so you can use them for your TikTok or for your YouTube, okay? AI art, AI product art. So for AI product art, you have it here. You can come here, you use any of these templates and you create your product art, okay? So you don't need to script or anything. You just need to come here and use templates, already made templates for you, okay? Cinematic storylines and clips. This works especially for those of you who do not want to show your face, but you actually want to create content. So this is a good example, and Hailuo AI is the best place for you because they already have ready to make templates. You don't need to bother yourself too much on what to script, how to write, how to do this. You just come here and get your stuffs done. Easy peasy. So I want to try this art right here. You click on it, then you click on template, then you click on image and bring in your image. So I'll be using this. And you don't need to prompt. Then you click on generate, okay? Once you click on generate and then you wait. See, I just made this now. See how beautiful that is. And this is very beautiful for art. Trust me, if you have to upload this on your social media, everybody will actually want to buy from you. This is what actually makes Hailuo AI different. Their motion quality is very good. Most AI tools generate images, but this nailed the realistic movement, motion, and cinematic flow. It is fast and beginner friendly. It doesn't require any animation skills. Look at how smooth the motion is. If this has helped you, smash the like button, subscribe for more faceless content like this. If you want to try this yourself, I have added the link in my description box. Right now, Hailuo AI is offering Nano Banana Pro included free AI coins for new users when you sign up. Oh my God. Go right now, go sign up and get your free coins and try this out. Comment AI for more viral AI video guides like this, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.